Hey guys, today we're going to check out the Deco M5, an AC 1300 whole home Wi-Fi system.
Let's unbox it. Inside the box we have the 3 Deco M5 units. They are all identical and any of these units can be configured to be in a master unit. Each of them comes with 2 Ethernet ports and a power jack. On the master unit, you'll connect one port to the broadband modem. The additional port can be used for Ethernet backhaul between the routers or to a printer, gaming console, TV, etc. It comes with an Ethernet cable for the hookup. Then you'll see some minimal documentation here showing the licensing and warranty and what the different LED status color means. Here you'll find these 3 power adapters with what looks like USB-C connectors on the ends. These are not the typical cell phone chargers as it supplies dual voltage to power up these routers. Let's move on to the software setup on an Android phone. Go to the Play Store and search for Deco. You'll find the TP-Link Deco app that looks like this. Go ahead and download and install it. Then launch the app. Click on Sign Up to create a new account if you don't already have one. Then you'll be ready to begin. Here you'll see the app is capable of setting up multiple TP-Link products. Select M5 to continue. Go ahead to power down your existing broadband modem or router. Connect the Ethernet cable to one of the M5's Ethernet ports and the other end to your existing broadband modem or router. Power on the modem or router and observe the status lights to show it's back online. Then with the Deco's power adapter, power up an M5 router. It will start off with yellow light and then progress to blue pulses. Tap to proceed. It will prompt you to enable Bluetooth on your phone to pair up with the M5. Select a location label to identify this router's location for easy identification later. Then select to keep the default MAC, or you can enter a specific MAC address if you have a need for that. Then create your Wi-Fi SSID name and password. The app will connect your phone to your new Wi-Fi network. And at this point, you may proceed to install the remaining M5 routers around your home, or come back to this step later. Here you'll see the Deco dashboard and is showing your phone as a connected device. Click on the internet globe icon to show your routers. In this case, there's only one. You can check the status and selectively reboot for them from here too. Then on the antivirus option, let's enable these protection features that are included for free for the first 3 years. This is important to protect all your connected devices from online threats. Let's go into the parental control functions. Here you can create multiple profiles to limit usage and internet exposure. For example, you can select from the preset profiles for child, preteen, teen, and adult. You can customize it further to block more content categories if needed, including additional apps and websites. Then let's not forget screen time limits. Here you get to pick how long each child gets to access your Wi-Fi service and how long for weekdays versus weekends. Then of course, enforcing the dreaded bedtime too. Here again, it's intuitive to set up when you want to block Wi-Fi service and when to restore it. Then select which device or devices to add to each profile for the enforcement. You can go back in to add more devices for the same profile, check or modify time limits, or even just outright pause the Wi-Fi service just like that. Under Insights, you can drill down into websites access and selectively block objectionable websites from there too. Simple as that. Personally, I think the included antivirus and robust parental control features are where Deco really shines compared to other mesh router systems out in the market today. Then on the envelope icon at the top, that shows your logs of latest activity on your network. From the bottom right icon, you can see more setup options. Here's the fun part. Try out the speed test to make sure everything is hooked up properly and you get at least the throughput as advertised for your broadband service. Then you can see more technical details under Advanced, if you're into that kind of stuff. You have the option to blacklist suspicious devices that join your network or to unblock them. You can also set quality of service if you want to prioritize some devices over the others. You can add additional managers to configure and manage your Wi-Fi system as well. And you have the option to create guest Wi-Fi with a different SSID and password for temporary guests or for parties. And finally, don't forget to add the remaining M5 routers to be placed around your home for a complete signal coverage of your mesh Wi-Fi system.
In conclusion, the Deco M5 system is better than a traditional router because the 3 routers can be spread around the house for better Wi-Fi coverage. Additionally, the Deco M5 system has robust parental controls and has a 3-year built-in antivirus, which can't be said for a lot of the other products on the market today.
Thank you for watching.